Once upon a time, a head monk and his disciple stepped out of their hut for a walk. While walking, both of them reached a very pleasant place. It was winter time and the place was very captivating. Snowflakes were floating down the sky like a tiny dancers, creating a calm and ethereal atmosphere. The snow, white as a pearl, was laying a soft, beautiful layer over the ground. The bare branches of the trees were laden with snow. In the middle, fir and pine trees were separating the beautiful greenery crowned with delicate frosting of snow. The air was crisp and clear, tingling against their cheeks and filling their lungs with a refreshing chill. With every step, the snow crunched beneath their feet, creating a satisfying rhythm that echoed throughout the winter wonderland. The only sounds were the crunching of snow, the occasional chirping of birds, and the soft whisper of the wind. As they walked through the winter wonderland, the head monk and his disciple paused to witness the beauty of their surroundings. The snowflakes gently fell around them, creating a serene atmosphere that filled them with a sense of peace. Suddenly, the disciple spoke up. Master, even in this beautiful moment, I am struggling with racing thoughts within my mind. What should I do? The head monk turned to his disciple and said in a soft and very measured tone, Son, our mind is like the snowflakes falling around us, constantly changing and moving. If we cling to each flake, trying to hold onto them, then we will become overwhelmed and lost. Instead, we must be like the empty sky, allowing each flake to pass through us without any attachment. The disciple looked up at the sky, watching the snowflakes dance and twirl. Then he said, But Master, if we let go of each flake, then how do we navigate the world? The head monk stopped, smiled, and said, When the mind is open and empty like the sky, we can see the path ahead clearly. We become one with our surroundings. The distinction between the external world and our internal mind is disappears. Past, present, and future become one, and we are free to wander without attachment or complications. Saying this, the head monk again started walking. The disciple nodded, taking in the wisdom of his master's words, and started following him. As they continued their walk, the snowflakes continued to fall around them, but now they seemed less overwhelming, less chaotic. Instead, they were just one more part of the winter landscape to be observed and appreciated without attachment or judgment. If we see in our life, we will find that many times in our life we get disturbed by the thoughts that arise in our mind, sometimes during meditation and sometimes in our routine life. We start getting troubled by these unwanted thoughts and then we start trying to stop it. But the more we try to stop these thoughts, the more these thoughts start to come to our mind. We need to understand that when we start trying hard to stop the thoughts of our mind, we start clinging more with these thoughts and become more attached to it. And when we become attached to our thoughts, then these thoughts do not leave us and it becomes cause of our sorrow. And later on, it can even cause us depression, anxiety or worry. But like head monk said in this story, if we start approaching our thoughts like snowflakes, allowing them to pass through the sky without any attachment or judgment, then we can cultivate a sense of detachment and inner stillness, which allow us to navigate the world with greater ease and clarity, much like observing snowflakes falling from the sky. We can watch our thoughts and emotions pass by without getting caught up to them. This awareness can help us to find peace and freedom amidst the chaos of daily life. So, whenever the thoughts of your mind start distracting you, always remember that you are just a watcher who is watching thoughts of your mind just like snowflakes falling from the sky and melting into the ground. You are watching it without attachment or judgment. As you will start witnessing your thoughts, the thoughts of your mind will start to diminish, and then there will come a time your mind will become more and more calm, when you will be lost in the endless ocean of peace.